Hey everyone, Priscilla Costa here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create videos for your lessons using Google Gemini and other easy tools. Let's start with the prompt. Prompt Gemini to generate the outline for your lesson slides. Pause the video here to read the sample. Think of Gemini as your personal assistant. Provide as much detail as possible, including which standard you will be teaching. Use the Vids Digital Explorer to find all the details about the standards. For this example, we are looking at the language expectations for language arts for 4th and 5th grades. I chose the key language used for argumentative writing. Here you will find which language features and functions your students must master to meet that specific standard. Click on the icon to copy and paste it in your prompt. If you choose the thinking mode, Gemini will give you a more detailed outline, but this is optional. Copy Gemini's output and go to Google Slides. Instead of creating your slides from scratch, Gemini can do it for you. Paste your outline here and wait for Gemini to generate your slides. Format your presentation with the slides that the AI will generate for you. If you find any errors or want to change anything, you can edit the image by giving it a new prompt. This is what happened to these two slides where I found a spelling mistake and a design flaw. Once your slides are perfect, the way you like them for your lesson, convert them to video. Google Vids will generate a complete video for you using your slides and adding background music and narration. On the right side menu bar, you will find tools to edit your video. For example, if the narration is not the way you would like it to be, you can edit the script and change the narrator's voice. If you choose a different voice, don't forget to update and replace the audio in all of the slides. One of the tools allows you to choose an avatar that appears to speak your script. Take your time to explore all of the video editing tools on the right side menu bar. As in all the other apps of the Google Suite, you may share your project and collaborate on your video editing. To publish the final product, you may choose from 3 different formats to export and share. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye everyone, and happy video creations!